I'm about to start my class for digital literacy, and it's going to be a live session in like an hour. I just finished the first class, which was about the digital stuff, and we're still in the same digital literacy class for the whole month. It's basically questions about how you understand what digital literacy is, how to use the system to prepare you to be more online ready when you're taking this course, basically being prepared for the technology. I'm sure to benefit something from it because first of all, it's the way you're going to be communicating with the instructors and everything, so they want to be sure you got everything. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Thanks for watching. That's how far I've gotten. It's a slow process. Hopefully in 18 months I should be doing sound engineering, music production on a degree level. Give thanks for that.